Hello guys, you're welcome again. In our previous lessons, I've made mention of the fact that you can actually change or download your own font type and install to use in your editing, either in Adobe or your Microsoft Office. You can download your own font type, and this video is just to show us a very short way of doing that. And when there are so many websites where you can go to download this font, but the one of the site I use often is dafont.com, dafont.com, which provides a lot of free font which you can go and download and give them the credit for whenever need be. So I want to download any font type. I'm going to go to maybe Christmas, for instance. I select Christmas here. Alright, so we've opened Christmas here. You can go to as many as you want. So these are the provided options related to Xmas. So I find this good, this eye catching, so I'm going to go download it by simply clicking on downloads. If you're using Windows, you immediately see the download, and it's not heavy, it's supposed to go faster than this. So I go to my download, this is it right here. I would like to cut and I will cut and go to this. On the fonts, I like to leave it there. Yes, while here I extract, I would like to extract, and this is our, so there are actually two ways of installing this in our system. You can double click and simply take install here, or you can go to control panel. Yes, under control panel, usually this is what most people have in their computer. So you can change the category view by in your control panel so that you'll be able to view large icon. You select large icon and then you choose font. These are the various fonts that I have in my system. These are the font. So I go back to our Happy Christmas font and I carry this. You carry this, click and hold, and then you carry it and copy, you drop in your font on the control panel. I'm going to close this. If I want to install now, they will tell me it's already installed because I've carried and dropped there. So that those are the two ways, by simply installing here, or you carry and drop on the fonts in your control panel. Now if I go back, the name is PW Happy Christmas. If I go back to my actually guys, the name is PW Joyeuse Noel Medium and not Happy Christmas. So I'm just going to close this. If we open, Word, Microsoft Word, for instance, we'll open Microsoft Word, for instance, and we are looking for PW Joyeuse Noel. This is it right here. So whatever we type, happy Happy Christmas. Yeah, this become our new font type. This is our new font type right here. You can be able to change the color. You can be able to change the color, for instance, to blue, any color of your choice. So that is simply how to download a font type and upload to your Microsoft system, and upload to your system. And this is applicable, this will be applicable for every other editing software in your PC. This is applicable and not just for Power Joyous Noel. I really don't understand what is happening. So this, we have it in our PowerPoint. This is the name right here, Power Joyous Noel, and you can add it to any of your yes. Yeah. And like I promised, this is the link to the site, which I'm still going to add to this video. You can visit the site for you can visit the site for practice.